Hi, in this video today, I would like to show you how to kick users if the concurrent license is hit. For example, our license is only allow 5 people accessing at the same time in Sitecore CMS, but today we have a new member 6. So you want to allow the member 6 log in into the Sitecore system, but we already have 5 people log in into the system. So you want to pick one person and then the member 6 will be accessed into the Sitecore CMS. In this video, I will guide you how to do it. Assuming this is the website you are working on, and you see here, you can go to the open as a new tab, and you go to this URL, license option, pick user, enter this one, and you can see the list of users accessing into the Sitecore system at this time here. And here, for example, I want to kick out the GNVS account. You select this account and then click on the Kick Off User button on the top right hand side here. After that user will be kicked off here. Let me come back to the license option here, and you see for now only one account admin is logged into the system here. Let me open a new tab, refresh this one here, and you see here the account is Chienvu admin. Come back and back to this one, refresh here. We have the account Chienvu here again. Select this one, kick off user, and then come back here. Only one admin account. Okay, so I hope this small tip will be helpful for you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.